everyone, welcome. Are you looking for a best laptop, cameras, and phones? We have thousands of them. You can choose from thousands of options. You can find anything you need for your friends and family. Are you kidding with us? No, I'm serious. When I say we have thousands of products, I really mean it. And when I say we have everything you need, I say it confidently because I know what do you need exactly for you, your friends, and your lovely family. If you are a YouTuber, we can provide you everything you need to shoot indoor and outdoor. You can find your laptop, DSLR camera, smartphones, headphones, and many more. All high quality product links are furnished below. Check now. I'm sure once you are in, you will be amazed at all excellent products and you will just keep coming in future. Why I'm so confident? Because we recommend only those products that we use and 100% satisfied with. Every single penny will worth of it. Frankly speaking, the best product links are furnished below for you. Check now. Keep social distancing and be safe.